In today's video, I'm going to show you VEVOR canvas tent review. VEVOR sells several canvas bell tent versions, including 5M and 6M models with stove jacks, cotton or polycotton canvas, depending on the listing, mesh windows, PVC flooring, and enough room on paper to host humans, gear, and at least one dramatic camping chair. You can do it! The good news is the value looks strong. VEVOR's own review page for 15M bell tent shows 4 out of 5 stars from over 200 reviews, with most buyers giving it 5 stars. People seem to like the space, price, setup, and stove jack idea. Basically, it gives, I want a canvas tent without giving, my bank account is now a survival story. Reddit feedback is surprisingly decent too. One camper said their VEVOR bell tent stayed bone dry in heavy rain for about half an hour, felt solid, had good seams, thick material, and a heavy-duty floor. Another user said they lived in one for months through snow, hail, and heat with no major issues. That is pretty impressive for a tent people often buy because the premium brands looked at their wallet and laughed. But don't start calling it the king of canvas just yet. Home Depot reviews show some buyers complaining about ceiling problems, quality concerns, and poor experiences with VEVOR product. Trustpilot gives VEVOR a strong 4.3 overall score from thousands of reviews, but 17% are still 1 star, with complaints about defective products and support. So, yes, the tent can be great, but customer service may sometimes move slower than a wet sleeping bag. Final verdict: the VEVOR canvas tent looks like a solid budget canvas tent for backyard glamping, festivals, hunting trips, and casual camping. But if you expect premium brand perfection, storm-proof confidence, and luxury stitching from every angle, calm down, Sir Campington. Check the exact model, dry it properly before storage, test it before a big trip, and maybe bring extra seam sealer just in case. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.